Hello everyone, friends! In this video, I will explain to beginners how to use MetaTrader 5. This is a special application that allows you to trade on Forex. And of course, first of all, to download it to your phone, you need to go either to the Apple Store or Google Market. Since I already have this app installed, I am now opening MetaTrader. Next, at the bottom right, I open the settings section and select New Account. Here a search bar appears. Here we enter the name of the broker. Your broker can be absolutely any because MetaTrader itself supports a large number of brokers. Since I trade with the FX Pro broker, I enter FX Pro. An option with a red logo appears. I open it. Here, a window loads where you need to enter the server, login and password. Next, I go to the FX Pro broker's website. I will show you using a demo account as an example. Basically, there is no difference here. Next to the trading account, I click on the three dots and select Account Information. We are interested in the important lower panel. This is where the server, login and password are displayed. I copy the server. I check to make sure it is entered correctly. Next, I enter the login. This is the trading account number. I also copy and paste it. And the last line is the password you created when you opened the trading account. After entering all the data, click the Yes button. Next, you will see the balance. Mine has already loaded. That means the connection was successful. The first thing that catches your eye is the bottom panel. Let's call it the workspace panel. At the bottom left, we have quotes, then chart, trading, history and settings. Let's start by going through the quotes. Here, I see the basic instruments displayed. These are the ones I've already added in some way. At the top, there is a search bar. When we click on it, categories open up. Forex, futures, spot, stocks, metals, and cryptocurrency. Since today, at the time of recording this video, it's the weekend, the Forex market is closed, I'll choose cryptocurrency and show you how to open trades with it. So, I go to the section. A list of available instruments opens up. Let's add the coins, Dash, Cardano and Bitcoin. After that, just click cancel at the top right and all these assets will appear in the lower rows of the quotes. You can also use the search function. For example, if we enter Ethereum, both Ethereum and Ethereum Classic will appear. Let's add it as well and click cancel. So here in this window, we also see the bid and ask. These are the buy price and the sell price. On the right, the spread is displayed. Of course, the smaller the spread, the better it is for us. And to open the chart, we can select any quote and swipe left. The chart starts loading. Or you can simply tap on any quote and select the chart tab. Let's pay attention to the top panel on the left. On the left, we have the time frame, which is currently set to 30 minutes. If we tap it, a list of all time frames will open. You can choose anyone that suits your strategy best. To change the scale of the chart, for example vertically, we drag the right scale. For horizontal scaling, just use the same gesture as zooming in on a photo on an iPhone. Accordingly, the chart either zooms in or out. We can also move the chart left or right, whichever is more convenient for you. To the right, there's a roulette icon, a plus sign. With it, you can measure the distance in points. You set a point and drag it to the desired level. Pressing it again simply removes this tool. The next button is to the right. These are the indicators themselves. You can add any available indicator or even upload your own. I already have Bollinger Bands set up here. Let's add, for example, the Masky-D indicator. Click the plus sign, select the indicator, adjust the settings if necessary, and then click the Done button. It appears at the bottom of the chart. To remove an indicator, go back to the F tab, swipe left and delete it. Next, to the right, we have graphic tools. For example, we can select a line, select it, place a point on the chart and stretch it however you like, absolutely any way you want. If you hold down the line, you can move it anywhere. You can also open the properties of this line, change its color, style, make it dashed or solid. And to delete it, just hold it and select the delete button. Next, let's go over how to open a trade. If we select this little rectangle at the top, it's important here to check the lot size so you don't make a mistake. On the left, we have the sell button, red for selling, and on the right, the green buy button for buying. So we open a trade and confirm it. The position appears right on the chart. You can also view it in the trade tab. And to close a trade, swipe it to the left and tap close. Now, an important point is stop loss and take profit. You can set them directly on the chart. Tap on the position line, select stop loss, the red line, and set the take profit wherever you need it. On a real account, your potential profit or loss will also be displayed right on the chart. To confirm your changes, you just need to swipe to the right. We also have a history tab at the bottom. Here, all trades are displayed, open, closed, as well as deposits, profits, commissions, and swaps. You can also select the period here and apply any filters that might interest you. Next, we have the Settings tab. Here you can change the interface, for example, switch the theme. For instance, I currently have the dark theme enabled. You can also choose an even darker theme. I just like it more. Oh, and I haven't mentioned the option for pending orders yet. Click on this icon, a line appears, and you place it above or below the current price. If we place it above, a sell order will be opened, and if we place it below, a buy order will be opened. You can immediately set a stop loss and take profit at the same time. After that, swipe to the right and the order will be activated. When the price is reached, the trade will open automatically with the parameters you set. So that's how this short video turned out. I think it was useful for beginners. If you are just starting to learn about Forex, be sure to support my channel, give it a like, and subscribe. Thank you all.